Hi, this is Mark from Armor Survival, and I came home from lunch the other day, and I think it's a hawk. I don't know, it's some bird of prey. Had this bunny killed over here in my yard. I threw it out there since he'd already killed it. He's been eating on it for like 3 days. He won't leave. This is where I feed my squirrels and rabbits and birds. He must think it's his new feeding ground, I guess. I'm gonna walk up on him, not so much to see him eat down the rabbit, but see if he flies away. He'll be back. I'm not gonna go slow. I think I can see him through here. He must not be scared of me. Guess he's not gonna fly away. I'm gonna sit here and film him eating it. I don't know if it's a hawk or what it is. I'm gonna post this and hope it ain't too gross for everybody. Short little video, nature. Smart from Armor Survival. I'll see you later.